Hi Felix, it's me, your dad. I'm here to read you another story. This one is called Kitten's First Full Moon. I don't even know what it's about. Let's find out together. Kitten's First Full Moon. It was Kitten's first full moon. When she saw it, she thought, "There's a little bowl of milk in the sky." And she wanted it. So she closed her eyes and stretched her neck and opened her mouth and licked. But Kitten only ended up with a bug on her tongue. Poor Kitten. See her there? She licked a lightning bug. And there was still that little bowl of milk in the sky just waiting for her. So she pulled herself together and wiggled her bottom and sprang from the top of the porch step. But Kitten only tumbled, bumping her nose and banging her ear and pinching her tail. Poor Kitten. Still, there was that little bowl of milk just waiting for her. Do you know what that is? That's not milk. That's the moon. So she chased it down the sidewalk, through the garden, past the field, and by the pond. But Kitten never seemed to get any closer. Poor Kitten. Still, there was that little bowl of milk just waiting for her. Kitten had an idea. She ran to the tallest tree she could find, and she climbed and climbed and climbed to the very top. But Kitten couldn't reach the bowl of milk, and now she was scared. Poor Kitten. What could she do? Then, in the pond, Kitten saw another bowl of milk. It was bigger. What a night. It wasn't the moon, but it was its reflection in the pond. And Kitten thought it was milk. So she raced down the tree and raced through the grass and raced to the edge of the pond, and she leapt in with all of her might. Sploosh! Poor Kitten. She was wet and sad and tired and hungry. So she went back home. See her making her way back up to her kitty porch. But when she got home, there was a great big bowl of milk sitting on the porch. Waiting just for her. She was a lucky kitten. The end. I love you, Felix. I'll see you later. Bye.